Hey drone nerds, it's Matt. So when you hear the words RTK, point mesh, and LiDAR, you think of a drone, right? Well, the mission we have today is really cool. We're not actually using a drone. We're using the ViDoc RTK unit. Let me show you how it works. Drones are great for mapping and modeling from the air. However, they miss fine details near the ground and the side of buildings. The ViDoc RTK complements drone photogrammetry and offers centimeter-level accuracy on those points missed by a drone. Now, today we're out here at a potential client's property. The client has a drone currently that does photogrammetry on his tower. The customer is specifically interested in mapping the base of the tower as well as the equipment underneath. This is where the ViDoc shines. Using Pix4D, we can recreate centimeter-level accuracy photogrammetry that he will then later merge with his drone photogrammetry into one extremely detailed model. So today, along with my technician Julian, we're going to show him exactly what the ViDoc can do for his mission. Once Julian starts the scan, the Pix4D catch on the ViDoc RTK unit begins taking photos and recording data. Julian emphasized that the slower and smoother scans are captured, the better the end results will be. You can see a live preview of the space you are scanning at the bottom of the Pix4D Catch app in real time. Notice how the areas not scanned appear in gray and the captured areas appear normal. You can even see some of the point mesh that's being created. These specific areas are the hardest to scan with the drone. The ViDoc RTK unit and Pix4D Catch is an essential tool for a mission just like this. This hardware and software combination is a game changer for this use case and so much more. Surveyors can gather information from the ground and ultimately capturing more detail. While we're scanning, ViDoc connects to over 600 channels, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and all other major constellations. The result is positioning in under 5 seconds. The ViDoc RTK paired with the Pix4D Catch app geotags images of the 3D scan in real time using N-trip services, offering accuracy in a mobile form factor. You can upload your images automatically to Pix4D Cloud for seamless processing and sharing, or import your images from the phone to the Pix4D Matic desktop app using the Pix4D Catch processing template. While in processing, you can mark your assets in Pix4D Survey as vectors in the point cloud and export them in DXF or SHP format. The ViDoc RTK paired with the Pix4D Catch app quite literally puts accuracy at your fingertips. Now, after our demonstration, the customer was able to view our scans in real time. The details of the tower base really came to life in Pix4D, and now he has a lot more information he needs to complete his report. Thanks for joining us today for this demonstration. If you have any further questions, please comment them down below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.